Hurry up, grab your camera before we get thrown out of here. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Randy Bear 5000. How are you today, sir? And special guest, Devin, Marketing Director of Voss Helmets. Good looking lid. Devin, you know where we're going to today?
LA, I believe.
Why? A, you've never been to LA. And B, I don't think you've ever had a proper cheesesteak. You ever hear of Cheese Whiz?
Not really.
You're in for a treat today, because we're going to Boo's Philly Cheesesteaks.
Can't wait.
Now, Devin, you're riding my Triumph today. You are Canadian, and I have to warn you, the last Canadian to ride one of my motorcycles destroyed it. So the pressure's on. I need you not to destroy my speed triple.
I'll do my best on behalf of all the Canadians out there.
So I kind of have a lot of pressure on me today. Our buddy Devin on the Triumph, he's technically my boss. So it's my obligation to make sure he's safe and has a good time. He was in town for a couple of days doing some catalog shoots with Girl on Her Bike, Vroom Vroom Dana, Kleb and I. You know, and we did all that yesterday. So today I decided to take him along, put him on the Triumph and see what we get into, show him LA a little bit. I did record a little video from our shoot yesterday. I don't know if you guys are gonna be into it, but I'm gonna stuff it on the other channel, Extra Delinquent. Link in the description of the video. So for whatever reason, the same song keeps playing over and over and over again. I must have hit the repeat button when I put my phone in my pocket. If you guys are curious what song that is, it's When I Come Around. Green Day.
I can see why you guys like riding so much. It's so beautiful.
Welcome to the United States. Are you comfortable on that? You're all right?
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good on it.
Get out of here, Prius. Yeah, I'm glad Devin came out. It's really fun when you get to connect deeply with your sponsors. Definitely glad to be part of the Voss family.
I do anything to look that way. I do anything to look that way. When I stop and think again, I wanna change my face.
I don't even know what's happening right now. You know what? Maybe it's not just the Priuses. Maybe it's all hybrid cars. For every hybrid car that's sold, comes with a glove box full of granola bars and tissues. And then we got Randy Bear and his Aprilia. It's a good looking bike. I got a question for you. If you could have either one of these bikes, which one would it be? Would it be the Aprilia or would it be the Triumph? Personally, I'd take the Triumph. I feel like it's got a lot more style and a lot less gadgetry. I'm not a big fan of electronics. Anyway, I'm curious. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'll tell you out of all of them though, this one. This is the bike. Haha. Prius? Oh, come on. Every Prius brake chucks me, I'm telling you. God damn those cars. I cannot believe there's no traffic. This is the 5 freeway. This is one of the first times I've ever made it this far without being backed up. This doesn't happen very often, man. It really doesn't. It's exciting. Oh, looks like I spoke way too soon. I bet that thing's awesome to drive. It seems like every time I turn around, there's a bus crash in the news. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm sure statistically it's super safe, but I think I'll stay away. I wonder if that was on purpose or not. If I came out to my truck and I had a bunch of cool graffiti on it like that, dude, I'd probably leave it. I mean, if it was a box truck and all. Can't believe how fast we made it into LA. Good for me, because I'm starving. And I bet I haven't had booze in almost a year. Look at that little car. Thanks, Versa. Good. Pull it. Couldn't get him to do it. So this is the 4th Street Bridge. It's been in a lot of movies. It's not quite as famous as the 7th Street, but you get the idea. Of course I'm behind a Prius. It's Like every time I leave the house, I see more and more of these stupid things. City Hall! Book 'em, Dano! Another Prius taking over the world little by little. Get out of my way! Damn it. Prius, 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 they're everywhere. 6A for Vermont Avenue. That's what we're looking for. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. And don't worry, the video doesn't end at booze. We're still gonna hop back on the bikes and go cruise around Hollywood. So stick around. I think this time I'm gonna do half American cheese and half Cheese Whiz. I think that's the winning combination today. Are you ready for some of America's fattest foods?
Ready for it.
Yes, please. Boo's Philly Cheesesteaks. I know you've been here before. I already know your answer. It's probably...
Top notch, excellent, it was amazing.
What about you, Mr. Canada? Have you ever had anything like this in Canada?
Can't say that I have.
If it wasn't 20,000 miles away from your house, would you come back?
10 out of 10 would recommend.
If you guys are wondering why the bike's all kind of set up against the wall, Devin was taking some photos for Voss's social media. Links in the description of the video. Go over there, check them out, and see those photos. All right, we're gonna hop on the bikes, ride around a little bit, show you LA, maybe go to Hollywood, get on the strip, and find some more spots to take some photos.
Sounds good to me.
Well, you're the boss. Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
That's what we're doing. I'm full, man. I am full. And once again, behind a Prius. Any of you guys want to know what Prius really means? It means stupid. How do you want me?
Just like that.
Do I look lumpy?
Just turn around and then look one way. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
This way or that way?
This way. Yeah, that way. Yeah, like this would be good for like our Facebook advertisements too. Just drop it. Just cut that down.
Sorry. Okay. We're kind of doing a lot today. So Devin was looking for some cool place to take some photos. You know what'd be a good place? Scientology building. Hurry up, grab your camera before we get thrown out of here.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you guys from?
New York!
You right from New York?
No. I borrowed the bikes. They're rental bikes. Yeah. You want to race or what? What are you doing, man? You're tripping me out. We're gonna get out of here, man.
I'll be happy with this and probably 2 scenic locations and I'll be good.
Your elbow.
Back there.
Look at this thing. Oh man. See the stars? Think I can fit? No way. Thank you, sir. I'm totally stuck. Whoa, tight fit. Hollywood's a zoo. Curbside appeal right there. Don't you do it, you son of a bitch. Excuse me, satchel man. Ruff, ruff. Thank you.
Can I ask you a question, man?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Suburban Delinquent, right?
How you doing?
Yeah, man. I've been a fan for a long ass.
Oh, I appreciate it, man.
You and Motornosity are the two people that actually encouraged me to get a motorcycle.
Really? What'd you end up getting?
Yamaha R6.
Love that bike.
9cc was my first one, man.
Congratulations, man. Here, let me give you something, man.
Whatever you give me, I'll take it.
$10, Chaparral.
Yeah, alright. Sweet, man.
Thanks for watching, man. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Guys, take it easy, man.
All right, Devin, Griffith Observatory. A lot of famous things happened here. Did you get the shots you wanted?
Yes, sir.
Where are we gonna find those shots?
Voss Helmets.
Hey, let's get down the hill. Let's go grab something to drink, man. I need a break. Too many people, man. Start to stress me out a little bit. All right, down the hill. On my way, Prius. They're towing cars today, scooting around. And of course, the enforcement officer is driving a Prius, right? Huh. Someone should tow the Prius. I think Ringo Starr's in that bus. Slug bug pow. Kinda wanna try to fit through this. I don't think I can. Smart water, because that's how I want to roll. Go ahead.
No.
You got one thing.
You've got.
It's all you.
Okay.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I got you something.
What?
Best friend forever.
Oh, man.
We got a lot in today.
We did a lot.
We got the sights in, went to booze, you had a cheesesteak.
Yep.
Was it the best thing you've eaten in a while?
I'd have to say so, yeah.
You liked it. Then we went up to Griffith Park, you got some observatory views, got some shots for Voss.
Yep.
Yeah, we accomplished a lot. I feel good about today. I think I got a video, I hope so anyway. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Big shout out to all the patrons of the channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. You make it all worth it, I promise you that. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, Voss Helmets, get that signature Delinquent Edition helmet, and the law offices of Henry Haddad. If you need any legal help, make sure you give those dudes a call. They're the real deal. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com, get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. Make sure you check out the new channel, Extra Delinquent, link in the description of the video for that. And I'll catch you guys later.